Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel MonnieMath, where I help students prepare for external examinations. Today we're going to be looking at IGCSE 0580 paper 1-1 October-November 2024. So let's get started. Question 1. Jacob is 10 years 8 months old. Amy is 15 months younger than Jacob. Find how old Amy is. So Amy would be 10 years, 8 months, minus 15 months. And of course, you know we can change this 15 months to 1 year, 3 months. So I have 1, 3, and we subtract. 8 minus 3 is 5. 10 minus 1 is 9. So that's 9 years, 5 months. Question 2. Change 6.7 kilometers to meters. So that's 6.7 times 1,000. So you use a 0 to move the decimal point 3 times 1, 2, 3. So that's 6,700 meters. Question 3. Measure angle X. You get your protractor and you measure. You realize that this angle is 83 degrees. Then write down the mathematical name for this type of angle. An angle that is less than 90 degrees is called an acute angle. Acute angle. Question 4. A concert starts at 19:50 and finishes 2 hours 42 minutes later. Work out the time the concert finishes. So that's 1950 plus 42. That's going to give us 1992. And of course, you know we can have this number at that side. So we have to take an hour off it, which is 60 minutes. And then we'll bring the hour here. That will make this 20. If we subtract the 60 minutes from what we have here, we have 32. So the concert is expected to finish at 2032. Question 5. Use one of these symbols, less than, greater than, or equal to make each statement true. So we have 2/7, 0.2861. 2/7, if you change this to decimals, is going to give us 0.2857. So if you compare, this is less than what I have here. 99/900, if I divide this by 9, I have 11/100, which is the same thing as 11%. And the third one, 1 cube is 1. 4 raised to the power 0 is also 1. So this is also the same thing. Question 6. The stem and leaf diagram shows the number of cars sold each day by a company. And we have the stem and leaf plot here. Find the range. Now range remains the highest number minus the lowest value. So this is the highest number, but remember it's a stem and leaf diagram, so this is not just 4 but 54. Minus, this is the least, that's 0, that's 10. That's going to give us 44. Find the mode. The mode is the most occurring number, and then you can see that around here. Yes, this is the most occurring number, but the same way we did for the range, we're going to pick both the stem and the leaf. So the range is 27. Question 7. Find the reciprocal of 1/4. So we change this fraction into an improper fraction. That's going to give us 5/4. So for us to get the reciprocal is 1 over the fraction, which is the same thing as flipping the fraction over. So this is 4/5. And that's all for now. Join me in my next video for the concluding part. Thank you.